Today we're making sweet potatoes and beef meal prep. Let's go! Get a white onion and a green pepper and dice it up. While you're doing that, get 2 pounds of ground beef and put it in the pan. You do want to go pretty lean on the hamburger meat. Now we're going to season our meat. These are the seasonings and they are in the description just like every other video. Go read it. Our meat is done. I'm going to put it in the bowl. This is what we look like. Looks delicious. A little salt and pepper to layer. Now my store didn't have sweet potatoes for some reason, so usually by now I'd have them boiling. But that's not the case. So I'm going to be lazy a little bit and I'm going to put these in the microwave. You can too. Same macros. Now these are cooked down a little bit, so I'm going to add garlic. Whatever you want. I'm just going to add a megaton. That's about right. Take it off the burner. Put a little bit of cheese on top. I'm going to cover this because it's going to get cheesy. Get you a blender. We're going to make the sauce. Avocado.
You know you go broke trying to handle me. Take it from someone who knows how to handle me.
Get you some garlic. Don't know how much. Just put this. Fill it with your salt. Putting a half a cup of plain yogurt. Remember, we're keeping this healthy. Lime juice. You want a whole lime. Some cumin. We're going to add pepper, salt, and cilantro. Mix it up. A little thick, I'm going to add some water. Just a little, maybe 1/8 of a cup.
Excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my
Taste. Oh my, grab your sweet potatoes. Doing salt and pepper and garlic powder. Let's see how good this looks. Amazing. We're going to put green onions on the top. Yep. If you could smell this right now, get you a plate because you're starving. Some potatoes. Put them on the plate. Get you some of your mixture. Now we're going to put our aioli. Have as much as you want because it's literally just avocado and yogurt. Taste. Why did I have to get a small spoon? Oh my God. Cut, cut, cut.